Hello everyone. In the earlier sessions we saw the need for gender sensitization and also the possible causes for gender-based violence. In this session, we'll see how attitudinal change can take us towards an egalitarian society. Variety, is the spice of life. In the world, there are so many varieties of animals. If we take up one category, that is the dogs, we can see there are so many varieties of them. Just because you like one variety, do you like to homogenize and make them into one category or one breed? Is it desirable? Or is it even possible? Everything has its own unique quality, and we have to accept that, and we have to understand so that we can lead a better life. Look at this picture. Here you see a variety of fruits. They have different shapes, different colors, taste, smell, size. In every aspect, every fruit is very different from the other. We can either make a fruit salad out of them, where they retain their individual color, flavor, taste and everything, or else we can mix up everything and make a puree out of it. It's up to us. In a puree, the individuality of the fruit is lost. The distinct flavor, color, taste, everything will be gone when mashed as one. In the same way, we have many human beings all around the world. Diversity is the norm. When there are so many diverse people in the world, most of them we don't understand as to why they are like that and why they behave in a particular manner, how they are living their lives. Many things we do not know about them. We have to try to understand the other people. We should not homogenize them and bring them under one umbrella in the name of unity. America, as you all know, is a nation where Native Americans are very few in number. Most of the citizens of America are immigrants from other continents. At one point of time, some Americans felt that they must have a mixture of all the cultures and create a new blended American culture to survive together. But some others argued that instead of blending in as one culture, they can have different cultures, and like a tossed salad, which we saw in the previous slide, people of different countries can live together in America, retaining their distinct traits as Asian Americans, Chinese Americans, and African Americans. This way, their individual cultures could be cherished and they can also live peacefully together. This is what people thought. So, the need of the hour is an attitudinal change towards diversity and inclusion. We cannot try to change other people. Instead, we have to accept people as they are, with empathy and altruism. We need not eliminate diversity, but integrate diversity into some form of unity. We have to create a richer and fuller human society, and for this, interconnectedness of humanity is very essential, and commitment to freedom and responsibility also must be there. Marching towards an egalitarian society is very important. You may be wondering what egalitarian society is. An egalitarian society is one that believes in the principle all people are equal and all deserve equal rights and opportunities. Hope all of you will agree. In the following sessions, we will see how this attitudinal change determines our very personality. Thank you.